Hello friends, so today I am going to talk about neem. It is a very common drug of India. All of you might have seen those drug very commonly as like tulsi. It is having special role for skin disease. That's why Charak has given most importance for this drug. For the complete information about this topic, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. Its botanical name is Azadirachta indica. Azadirachta word comes from a Persian name and indica it is a native of India and belongs to Meliaceae family. It is used traditionally as a safe pesticide and insecticide. Next, coming to classification of neem. According to Charak, it is Kandugna and Tiktaskanda. According to Shushrut, it is Aragvadadi, Guduchadi and Lakshadi. And according to Bhavaprakash, it is Guduchadi Varga. And next, coming to Basonym, Nimbati Sanchati Swastham iti. Sanchati means to maintain. It maintains healthy condition of the person. Next is the synonyms of neem. Based on properties and action, first is the arishta. It cures diseases. Second is the krumigna. It has bactericidal action. Third is the paribhadra. It is good to use. Fourth is the pichumaria. It is used in skin condition. Fifth is the sutikta. It is having bitter taste. Now based on morphology, ingunireasa. The tree exuded gum. Coming to vernacular name of neem. In English it is called margosa or neem. Hindi it is called neem or Marathi it is also called neem. Habitat it is cultivated all over India. It is the most common tree found in all subcontinent. Next, coming to morphology, it is a evergreen tree up to 40 to 60 feet height. Stems are woody, erect, cylindrical, branched and sub-branched and solid. Bark is thick, vertically and longitudinally fissured. Externally it is dark brown colored and internally reddish green colored. Then leaf. Leaf are compound, alternate, exstipulate, have serrate margin and reticulate venation and about 5 to 18 inch length. Leaflets are 1 to 3 inch length, have serrate margin and oblong and have 5 to 10 pairs of leaflet. Flowers are small, whitish colored, bisexual, complete and have axillary panicle. Fruits are oval in shape, half to 1 inch length, greenish in unripened condition and yellow in ripened condition. Each fruit contains one seed. Flowering is in the month of February to March and fruiting is in the month of May, June and July. Then coming to chemical composition of neem. Its bark contain alkaloids, nimbine, nimbinine, nimbidine, nimbosterol, volatile oil, tannin, margasin and 1 glucoside. And its leaves contain nimbin, nimbinine, nimbandiol, cucurciton and beta-sitosterol. Next, coming to the properties, it has Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Lagu Ruksha Guna, Katu Vipaka and Shita Virya. And Dosha Karma, it is Pitta Shamak and Kapha Shamak. Next, the useful part are leaf, seed oil, bark and flowers. Dose, bark powder 2 to 4 gram, leaf swarus 10 to 20 ml and seed oil 5 to 10 drops. Therapeutic administration. It is used in skin diseases. Powder of neem is applied over the affected skin. Second, Tvakaroga. Paste of neem with Aragvada is applied over the skin. Third is the Aram Shuka. Small boils. Firstly, Rakta Mokshana is done, then the decoction of neem is sprinkled over the skin. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more educational videos.